If you are to take control of a Triceratops, there are a few things you'll need to know. Some of the largest meat eaters ever to walk the earth lived in the late Cretaceous, and for Triceratops, the most numerous land animal of the Cretaceous, defending itself may have been a common occurrence. At approximately 10 feet high, 30 feet long, with almost a third of that length being skull, Triceratops was a formidable creature. The bony frill shielded the dinosaur's head and neck, and its long, sharp horns would have made any predator, even T.rex, think twice about attacking. But to develop theories about how Triceratops may have defended itself, we need to look at its body. The first thing you notice about the body of Triceratops is that it's essentially unprotected. No bony plates, no spikes, no clubs. Why do you think this is? Creatures without armor are usually either too big to be threatened or fast enough to escape. Triceratops was big, but not compared to T.rex. Does Triceratops look like a fast animal to you? With that heavy skull, Triceratops couldn't run very fast, or for very long. Its head was built for defense. Triceratops would have protected its body by keeping its horns and frill between it and any danger. One thing Triceratops would not have done would have been to charge at a predator. Its skull just wasn't strong enough for ramming. Instead, it would try and appear dangerous, perhaps shaking its head or roaring, and hoping the predator would not risk attacking. If it did charge, Triceratops would have had to have been ready. If Triceratops's front legs were held bent at the elbows, in between the stance of a crocodile and an elephant, it could have used them to propel its body sideways, pivoting around its upright rear legs. This would allow Triceratops to outturn a predator, rapidly bringing its head around to protect its vulnerable flanks and rear. As we see in the simulation, when reconstructed in this manner, it is very difficult for a T.rex to successfully attack an alert Triceratops. However, when two or more virtual tyrannosaurs hunt together, a single Triceratops is in very big trouble. To defend against multiple predators, Triceratops may have lived together in groups or herds, like certain species of modern rhino. Like the rhinoceros, when attacked, they may have formed a circle, tails in, horns out, with young animals in the center. Anywhere the predators look, there are deadly horns staring them in the face. A smart predator would withdraw and look for an easier meal. The horns of Triceratops could kill an unlucky T.rex. By looking at the bones of an animal and by observing modern animals, we can make a pretty good guess as to how Triceratops may have defended itself.